Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to become a Salesforce developer in 100 days, master Salesforce custom application developments. Are you dreaming of becoming a top Salesforce developer, working with leading companies, and enjoying a fantastic work-life balance? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we will unveil a detailed 100-day roadmap to help you achieve your goal. The path to becoming a Salesforce developer is now more accessible than ever, thanks to a plethora of resources available online. All you need is dedication, consistency, and the right guidance. Imagine yourself in a high-paying role, not just mastering the Salesforce platform but excelling in custom application development. If this sounds like the future you want, stick with us as we guide you through this transformative journey. First, let's set the stage with some essential ground rules. Devoting a minimum of 2 hours daily to learning is crucial. Consistency is key, so no breaks on weekends. And to stay motivated, share your progress on LinkedIn and tag PMN Online. Before diving into Salesforce, it's beneficial to have a foundation in some programming languages like C, C++, or Java, as well as basic web development skills such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If these are new to you, don't worry. With a focused month of learning, you can grasp these basics, setting a strong foundation for your Salesforce journey. Now, let's delve into the critical skill sets every aspiring Salesforce developer should master. The first is Apex, Salesforce's proprietary programming language used for building custom functionalities. Next, you'll need to understand integration through REST and SOAP APIs, essential for connecting Salesforce with external systems. Then, there's Lightning Web Component, LWC, a framework for creating dynamic user interfaces. Lastly, understanding the Lightning Component framework is crucial, as it remains widely used across many organizations. To start, you need to gain a comprehensive understanding of the Salesforce platform. From day 1 to day 30, immerse yourself in the Salesforce admin essentials. Familiarize yourself with data models, relationships, management, and security. Explore Salesforce's automation capabilities, such as lightning flows, which streamline processes. Our Salesforce admin playlist is an excellent resource to guide you through these topics. For additional practice, Salesforce Trailhead offers interactive challenges to reinforce your learning. Once you've conquered the admin basics, shift focus from day 31 to day 50 to Apex programming. Apex is the engine that powers custom applications in Salesforce. You'll dive into data types, object-oriented concepts, and database manipulation through SOQL and SOSL. To aid in your learning, our Salesforce Development Premium course on YouTube covers all these essentials comprehensively. Having a solid grasp of Apex, it's time to tackle integration from day 51 to day 60. Integration is vital for enabling Salesforce to communicate with other systems via APIs. Understanding REST and SOAP APIs will expand the potential of your Salesforce applications. Our YouTube channel provides detailed tutorials, and the links are available in the description box. From day 61 to day 80, you'll transition to front-end development with Lightning Web Components, LWC. This framework allows you to create modern, responsive user interfaces, enhancing the user experience significantly. As you explore LWC, focus on building complex components that bring your applications to life. Our detailed LWC playlist is a valuable resource, ensuring you stay on track. Next, between day 81 and day 95, study Lightning Components in Visualforce. Though they preceded LWC, many organizations still use them extensively. Gaining a basic understanding of these frameworks is beneficial, as it broadens your skill set and marketability. We have comprehensive videos on these topics, and Salesforce's official documentation is a reliable reference. Finally, with a complete skill set in hand, days 96 to 100 are about putting your knowledge into action. Work on real-world projects and develop custom Salesforce applications. This practical experience is invaluable, giving you a competitive edge in interviews and showcasing your capabilities to potential employers. Reflecting on our journey, we've laid a robust foundation to becoming a proficient Salesforce developer. We've covered essential programming languages, Salesforce admin skills, Apex programming, integration, and front-end development with LWC and Lightning components. Each step is vital, building upon the last to create a comprehensive skill set. Remember, the key takeaways from this tutorial are the importance of consistency, the value of practical experience, and the advantage of leveraging available resources. By following this structured plan, you can confidently navigate the path to becoming a Salesforce developer. Let's take a moment to talk about some practical examples and real-world use cases, which will help solidify your understanding. Imagine you're working for a retail company that needs a custom app to manage their inventory efficiently. You can leverage Salesforce to automate notifications for restocking products, integrate with suppliers via APIs to track shipments, and create a dashboard for sales trends using Lightning Web Components. This is a prime example of how you can utilize your newly acquired skills. Now, let's discuss common mistakes and troubleshooting guidance. As you dive into development, you'll find that one of the frequent pitfalls is neglecting proper testing. Always write test classes for your Apex code to ensure it runs smoothly in different scenarios. Salesforce requires at least 75% code coverage before deployment, so make testing a habitual practice. If you encounter errors, make use of Salesforce's debug logs. They're a treasure trove for diagnosing issues. Another common misstep is overcomplicating solutions. When building with Lightning components or Visual Force, simplicity is key. Stick to clean, maintainable code and resist the temptation to cram too much functionality into a single component. This will save you headaches down the line and make your code easier to debug and upgrade. As for some useful tips, consider joining the Salesforce community. Forums like the Salesforce Developer community and Stack Exchange are invaluable resources where you can ask questions, share insights, and learn from seasoned professionals. Also, don't underestimate the power of networking. Connecting with other Salesforce developers can provide support, collaboration opportunities, and even job leads. For beginner-friendly clarifications, remember that Salesforce is vast, and it's normal to feel overwhelmed at first. Focus on mastering one area before moving to the next. And don't shy away from using the Salesforce App Exchange. It's a marketplace for pre-built apps that can inspire you and give you a sense of what's possible within the platform. Lastly, always keep an eye on the updates from Salesforce. The platform evolves rapidly, and staying informed about new features and best practices will keep your skills relevant and in demand. Your journey to becoming a Salesforce developer is just the beginning of a lifelong learning process. Embrace it with curiosity and perseverance. One of the best ways to deepen your understanding is by diving into practical exercises, so let's explore a few more scenarios. Picture this: you're developing a custom Salesforce app for a healthcare provider. They need a system to manage patient appointments, send reminders, and track patient interactions. You can use Salesforce's automation tools like Process Builder to automate appointment reminders and integrate third-party calendar services through APIs. Additionally, creating a patient portal using Lightning Web Components can enhance user experience by allowing patients to view and manage their appointments seamlessly. This is how Salesforce can be tailored to meet specific industry needs effectively. Moving on to some real-world challenges you might face. When working on integrations, you might encounter issues with API limits. Salesforce has strict limits on how many API calls can be made within a 24-hour period. It's crucial to plan your integration strategy carefully to stay within these limits, perhaps by using batch processing to reduce the number of calls. Also, be mindful of data security and compliance, especially when handling sensitive information, by implementing robust authentication methods like OAuth. Let's address a common misconception among beginners: the belief that mastering Salesforce is purely about coding. While technical skills are essential, understanding business processes is equally important. Spend time learning how different industries utilize Salesforce to solve their unique challenges. This insight will enable you to create solutions that are not only technically sound but also aligned with business goals. For those feeling stuck or unsure about their progress, consider setting measurable goals. Break down your learning into weekly objectives and track your achievements. This approach can help you maintain motivation and provide a sense of accomplishment as you tick off each milestone. Finally, a word on certifications. While not mandatory, Salesforce certifications can significantly boost your credibility and marketability. Start with the Salesforce Certified Administrator certification to solidify your foundational knowledge, and then progress to the Salesforce Platform Developer certification as you advance. These credentials can open doors to new opportunities and validate your skills to potential employers. Remember, the journey to becoming a Salesforce developer is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and most importantly, enjoy the process of learning and growth. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to become a Salesforce developer in 100 days, master Salesforce custom application developments. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.